guys, I am here for a mini release for my Etsy shop. The reason I'm doing this as a mini release is that all of these are kind of like time sensitive things. They're July kits and then my 4th of July kits. I am planning on doing a big like more sticker kit release on it's on an upcoming Friday. I want to say June 8th or like the Friday right around then, but I wanted to get these out a few days early just because this will give me like a lot more time to get them out to you, so to make sure these arrive well before you need to use them. So I will still be having a sale on these kits, but the sale is going to be longer than usual. It's not just going to be 3 days. I'm going to have this sale start as soon as these are live and as soon as this video is live, and it'll go all the way until the end of my new releases sale for my June 8th releases. So you have a lot of time to pick these up in that sale, so don't feel too rushed. But if you stay till the end, and you should, I'm going to tell you about something super exciting coming up in the shop in a way that I want to give you guys some samples of some new stuff coming out and for you to give me reviews. So stick around till the end to see that. Oh, and I'm going to keep this fairly short. So first things first, I wanted to start off with one of my July kits. So I usually try to do just one monthly kit each month, but I decided to do this. This is a reformat of my July monthly from 2017, and it's a bit more of like a childish vibe to it, but it's kind of like it's a camping thing. It's not kind of. So you've got like, you know, a nice woodsy scene, one here too, and here you've got the tent, the backpack, and the fire. And I find these colors to be just really fun. I did give 2 Independence Day boxes on both of the July kits, just because one of them lands on a red color, so I know people would want to use that, and then the other one just on the first one. Then I have 4 extra full boxes here with that same woodsy scene, and then these are your stackable sidebar and sidebar headers. We've got date dots, bill dues, payday, day off, and small icons. And then I've got appointment labels, 2 flags, 2 long strips to mark off time, and then some fun deco pieces. So we've got that backpack, a lantern, a sleeping bag, that campfire again, and then these are like hot dogs on a stick and marshmallows on a stick. So I really, really loved using this monthly kit last year, and I really wanted to bring this back to the shop. This July kit does come with a freebie, and it is more date covers. So I have the normal date covers in the kit, but these are the date covers that came with it last time around. The slide is so bright, you can't see it very well, but hold on. They're tiny little, oh, I won't focus, but they're tiny little marshmallows, which I find to be absolutely adorable. So this I just really wanted to make this an option, so July monthly kit number 1. Let's put it back in the right order. All right. So the second and the only July kit I was actually going to initially release is a 4th of July themed kit. The format of the kit is the same. It just features more patterny, and here you've got the map of the United States and the flags. And again, I gave you 2 Independence Days, one on the blue and one on the red. I went with like a lighter star pattern for our extra full boxes, and these like you actually are gonna see 2 to 3 collections with this similar color scheme in the next few weeks. And then we have here, and the deco pieces are very, very cute. So this one doesn't come with more date covers just because I didn't have anything special for this, but that is the 2nd July monthly kit. So next I have my 4th of July weekly collection. So this only comes in a vertical and a mini kit. There is a reason I only make things sometimes in certain formats. If it is like a very like niche kit that I don't feel like a lot of people will want, I'll usually only do it as a mini kit or only as a vertical kit. But if the kit features a double box, from now on I'm not going to make it into a horizontal kit. That's just because the feedback that I've been getting from those who are horizontal shoppers, most of them do not like the horizontal or like the double box because it doesn't feel like you can use the scene. You never can do it properly. So I'm sorry if you're a horizontal lover, and I will do my best to do not fewer, but like more options that don't have double box scenes. So here is my take on this very popular Independence Day 4th of July art. The artist behind this is TWG Designs, The Weekend Gypsy. So here we have a lot of like matching boxes. We've got the grass with a fence. So here we've got like a bucket with flowers and the flag. We've got the scene with the fireplace, or the fire pit, and the 2 chairs. And here we have the girl on her bike with the fireworks behind her. We have then 4 boxes that have like pieces with a lot of patterns behind them. We've got the flags, the like not decorations, but like wearables, the map of the United States, and then like an insert or like a page from a bullet journal. This does come with 4 more options for girls. So this girl has like blue ombre hair and light skin. So we've got the blue ombre hair and dark skin, the blonde, and you know, just more options. And this is a freebie. And then we've got our flags here on the side. We've got our ombre checklists, our half boxes page, our little things in solid washi, our first functional page, and these are the same girls that you're going to see on the kits coming out on June 8th. We've got a cute deco area there, and our date covers. We've got our headers page, and then our bottom washi and solid washi. So I decided to go with like a little bit louder colors for the bottom washi because there's so much white up here. So that is the Independence Day vertical kit. And then, of course, the mini kit. The mini kit comes with the option for adding on glitter headers. We've got those freebie full boxes, the same full boxes as the vertical kit, and a weekend banner, our washi and habit trackers, our functional page. I put a lot more like star deco on this one. And then our like functional last headers functional page like that. And of course there's pictures of all the pages of the kit on the listing. So those are the 4 kits I have going up for this mini release, just 2 monthlies and 1 part of these collection. The sale for these will run through the end of the June 8th releases sale, so you'll have like a week or more to pick these up with that price. And it will be automatically applied. There's no coupon code. As always, free shipping for orders over $50. After coupons, before shipping costs. What am I missing? Oh, I will have pictures of the July freebie on my Instagram. I haven't finished printing and cutting those, so I didn't have those ready for this. Yeah, so for those of you that stuck around till the end, I'm here to tell you about how to pick up some extra freebie cool stuff. So I bought myself a present. I bought myself a laser printer. I have already had a foiling machine, but I was always on the market for a good printer for it, and it just so happened that Staples was having a big sale. I did already put together a video, and I'll edit and upload that soon about reviewing the printer and showing you exactly how to foil with it, but I'm still really learning myself. So in the meantime, I do want to hear feedback from you guys. So if you order during this weekend, just this weekend, oh goodness. So if you order through Monday night at midnight Eastern time, so that's like 2 days, and you include in the notes of your order that you would like one of these for free, I will go ahead and slip this in the order for free. All I ask for in return is that you review it for me and you tell me what you think. So I'm going to give you a sample of what it is, and it is the glitter headers for this kit, foiled. So this was one of my mock-ups, and it's not going to be what it looks like. These, the foiling on it is way too big. I was really playing around with it, but you don't have to even order one of these, but if you order between now and Monday night at midnight and include in your notes to order that you would like these foiled goodies, I will plop one of these or more if I have a lot more in your order. These are done with silver foil. I am hoping to come out with foiled goodies soon. I'm actually planning on my first foil release being a $2 Tuesday, so if you have ideas for what you would like to see foiled, leave them down below. I will hopefully eventually build myself up to having foiled kits, but in the meantime, I really just want feedback on the foiling and the style of it. Other than that, please let me know if you have any questions or feedback or anything at all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. Oh, hold on. One last wiggle, because this is so much fun. Oh, I love foil.